Right, another video, another crazy story. Welcome back to another episode on my YouTube page, YouTube channel, on my podcast, Kuzima Zero Podcast. Right, I'm going to hold the bull by the horns. I'm going to hit the nail on the head. I'm going to hit the nail on the coffin. I'm going to call white as white, blue as blue, green as green, pink as pink, emerald as emerald. I'm going to call gold as gold, diamond as diamond. You understand? This is what I'm going to do on this video right now. Right. I want you to educate me. I want you to school me on this subject in this video right now that I'm going to speak about or introduce to you. What drives the relationships or marriages between Shona people and Ndebele people or Ndebele people? What are the motivating factors? What are the factors that drives this kind of relationships? I mean romantic or sexual relationships, even marriages between Shona people and Ndebele people. What drives them? What are the motivating factors behind that? What do you say? What do you know? What do you understand? That I don't know, that I don't understand. This is why I'm asking in this video right now. If you're a Ndebele person, if you're a Shona person listening to me, you're watching me right now, talking in this video right now, what do you know? What do you understand? What drives these relationships? What drives these marriages? Shona people and Ndebele people. This because for a long time, even before I went to Bulawayo myself in January and February this year, 2025, I was there. Before I even went there, I would hear a lot of stories, crazy stories, beautiful stories. I can use whatever word to describe what I was hearing about the relationships and the marriages between the Shonas and the Ndebeles or Ndebeles. For a long time, a long period of time, I would hear about that. As a child, as a boy growing up, and now I'm a big man, I'm a great man by the grace of Jehovah God. I'm a great man, I'm an adult now. And fortunately, this said January and February 2025, I was in Bulawayo. I went there and I saw a lot of things. I observed a lot of things. I discovered a lot of things. I'm like, okay, so this Bulawayo, these are the Ndebele women, these are the Ndebele girls, these are the Ndebele ladies. Okay, fine. Wow. So I saw what I saw. I observed what I observed. You understand? I discovered what I discovered, but I want to hear from another angle, another dimension, from another source, from other people, not me, other human beings who are not called Kudzimadzim. What they know. I also want to know what they understand. I also want to understand what drives, what moves these relationships, sexual, romantic relationships, a Shona person and develop people, undeveloped people. What drives them? What moves them? What are the factors behind that? I want to know. I want to understand. This is the focal point why I've decided to do this video on this particular subject. Okay, maybe for me to just open the ground a little more further, maybe I can say, or let me say rather, is it because of the beauty of the Ndebele girls that I saw? Is it because of the beauty? Or is it because of the body structure of the Ndebele girls, Ndebele women that I saw in Bulawayo when I was there this January and February 2025? Is it because of that? That maybe is the only factor that drives these relationships or marriages between Shonas and Ndebeles. Is it because of that beauty or that body that I saw, that body structure? Is it because of that? Or maybe there are some other things that I don't know. And I'm willing, I'm humble enough to say I want to know. I'm humble enough to say I want to understand what I don't understand and to know what I don't know and to realize what I've never realized before, to discover from you people telling me or talking to me or chatting with me. I want you to educate me. I want you to school me so that I know what you know. I understand what you understand. I want us to be on the same page to be on the same level, to be on the same pedestal. So please talk to me, engage me in a conversation, engage me in a talk, engage me in a chit chat, engage me in a dialogue. What do you know that I want to know? What do you understand that I want to understand about this subject, particular subject? Romantic relationships, Shonas and Ndebeles. Marriages between the Shonas and Ndebeles. Of course, I have to admit a lot of Shona people are marrying Ndebele women, Ndebele girls, Ndebele ladies, even vice versa. Ndebele guys marry Shona ladies, Ndebele men marrying Shona girls, Shona ladies, Shona women. So what drives these relationships? Talk to me. Your thoughts, your opinions, your views, your postulations, or your submissions, write or type in the comment box. Peace out. Sharp.